Good morning, student. Grade 4, subject maths. Our next topic is common factors. My practice time 3. First question. Find the common factors of the 20 and 24. Find the common factors of the 20 and 24. Question number A, 20 and 24. First solution. Factors of 20. Factors of 20 is equal to 20 comes first table, 120s are 20, 20 comes second table, 20 comes first table, 120s are 20, 20 comes second table, 2 10s are 20. In third table, 20 is not come. Next fourth table, 4 5s are 20. Next fifth table, 5 4s are 20. Next one, sixth table, 20 is not come. Seventh table, eighth table, ninth table is also not come. And 10th table, 10 2s are 20. 10th table, 10 2s are 20. Next one, 20th table, 21s are 20. So 20 comes first table, second table, fourth table, fifth table, 10th table, 20th table. So factors of 20 is equal to first table, second table, fourth table, fifth table, 10th table and 20th table. Next one, factors of 24. 24 comes first table, 124s are 24. And 24 comes second table, 2 12s are 24. In third table, 3 8s are 24. Fourth table, 4 6 are 24. Fifth table not come. Sixth table, 6 4s are 24. In seventh table, 24 is not come. Eighth table, 8 3s are 24. Ninth table and 10th table, down table also not come. And 12th table, 12 2s are 24. Next one, 24th table, 24 1s are 24. 24 1s are 24. So 24 comes first table, second table, third table, fourth table, sixth table, 8th table and 12th table and 24th table. So factors of 24 comes first table, second table, third table, fourth table, sixth table, 8th table, 12th table, 24th table. So common factors of, next we find common factors of 20 and 24 is equal to common factors of 20 and 24 is equal to common factors 1 1. Next one, 2 2. Next 3 is not here, so this is not a common factor of 20 and 24. 4. So 4 is a common factor of 20 and 24. 5 is not here. And next one, 6 not here. 8 not here. 12 also not here. 24 also not here. So common factors of 3 factors 1 2 4. 1 2 4. These are common factors 1 and 2 and 4. 1 2 4. So common factors of 20 and 24 is equal to 1 2 4. Next sum. Question number C, 24 and 30. Find common factors of the 24 and 30. Solution. Factors of 24. Factors of 24. Factors of 24 is equal to first table, 124s are 24. 124s are 24. In second table, 2 12s are 24. In third table, 3 8s are 24. In fourth table, 4 6 are 24. Fifth table not come in 24, and sixth table 6 4s are 24, and seventh table 24 is not in seventh table. Next eighth table 8 3s are 24, 9 10 11. So not in 10, 9 10 11 in 24. Next in second 12th table 12 2s are 24. Next one 24th table 24 ones are 24. So 24 comes first table, second table, third table, fourth table, sixth table, eighth table, 12th table, and 24th table. Next one we find factors of 30. Factors of 30. So 30 comes first table. 130s are 30. 130s are 30. Second table 215s are 30. In third table 310s are 30. Fourth table, that is not in fourth table. Next fifth table 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Sixth table 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. Seventh table, eighth table, and ninth table. Not in 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 tables not in 30. So next one 10th table. 10th table 10 3s are 30. 10 3s are 30. Next table 15th table 15 2s are 30. Next last table 30 ones are 30. So 30 comes first table, second table, third table, fifth table, sixth table, 10th table, 15th table, and 30th table. Now we find common factors of 24 and 30. Comparing the factors of 24 and 30, we have common number 1. Next one 2. Next one 3. Next one 6. So 4 numbers are common factors of 24 and 30. First 1 2 3 6. So 1 2 3 6. In first table comes 24 and 30. Second table comes 24 and 30. In third table comes 24 and 30. In sixth table 24 and 30 comes. Next one common multiples. Next one common multiples. My practice time 3. Common multiples. Second question. Look at the first 10 multiples of the. Look at the first 10 multiples of the two given numbers, and also find the common multiples. Also find the common multiples. Solution. First number 2 and 3. Solution. The multiples of 2 is equal to. Multiples of 2 is equal to. In second, first 10 multiples of 2. First 10 multiples of 2. 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18, and 10 2s are 20. 10 2s are 20. Next one. Next we find multiples of first multiples of 3. First 10 multiples of 3. First 10 multiples of 3 is equal to. First 10 multiples. 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. 6 3s are 18. 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, and 10 3s are 10. First 10 multiples are 3. First 10 multiples are 3 and the first 10 multiples are 2. We have next one. We find common multiples of 2 and 3 is equal to common multiples. So common multiples, comparing the two multiples, 6 6. So first 6 is the common multiples of 2 and 3, first number, and 8 10 12. 12 is the second common multiples. Next one 14 16 18. 18 is the third common multiples. So we have multiples of first 10 multiples of 2, first 10 multiples of 3. So next we find common multiples of 2 and 3. So comparing the two multiples, so common number 6 and next common number 12 and the next one common number is 18. So first 3 common multiples of 2 and 3 is equal to 6, 12 and 18. And next question. Next one, second sum B question, 4 and 6. So multiples of first 10 multiples of 4 is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. So first 10 multiples of 4. Next one, first 10 multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. So first, next we find common multiples. Common multiples of 4 and 6. Common multiples of 4 and 6. So comparing two multiples, 4, 8, 12. 12 is the first common multiples, and the next one 16, 20, 24. 24 is the next common multiple. 28, 32, 36. 36 is the next common multiples. So 40. So the three numbers common multiples of 4 and 6, 12, 24 and 36. Next one, co-prime numbers. Co-prime number is when two numbers have only one as their common factors. Only one as their common factor. For example, 4 and 9. 4 and 9. So factors of 4 is equal to first table, second table and fourth table. So factors of 4 is equal to first, second, fourth table. Factors of 9 is equal to first table and third table and ninth table. So factors of 9 is equal to 9 comes first table, third table and ninth table. So factors of 9, 4 comes in first table, second table, fourth tables. So comparing the two factors, comparing the 4 and 9 factors, we have common factor 1. So common factor is equal to 1. We have common factor is equal to 1. So that number is called a co-prime number. co-prime numbers. When two numbers have only one their common factor, there has one their common factor. So that is called a co-prime numbers. So for example, 4 and 9, we have four common factors, 1, 2, 4. We have next common factor 9 is equal to 1, 3, 9. Comparing the 4 and 9 factors, we have only one as a common factor. So it is called a co-prime numbers. So 4 and 9 is called a co-prime numbers. Next one, twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers definition: if two prime numbers, have only one number between them, we have two prime numbers. So two prime numbers. For example, two prime numbers. 3 is only one prime number, 5 is a second prime number. We have between the number. We have between only one number, that is 4. This is called a 3 and 4 is called a twin prime numbers. For example, for another example, we have another prime number 5 and 7. 5 is a prime number. 7 is also prime number. We have between only one number, that is called 6. So 4 and 5 is called a twin prime numbers. 5 and 7 is called a twin prime numbers. So twin prime number is definition: if two prime numbers have only one numbers between them. For example, 3 and 4. We have two prime number. First number is 3 and second prime number is 5. So between only one number is called 4. So 3 and 5 is called a twin prime numbers. Next to another example 5 and 7. We have between only one number, that is 6. So 5 and 7 is called a twin prime numbers. Next one, my practice time 4. Use the factors tree method to find the prime factors of the 30. So tree method, first 30 we write in next one. So 30 can we write 2 into 50. So 2 is a prime number. So next one, 15 split the 15, 3 into 5, 15. So 30 is 15, 2, 1 is prime number, 2 into 15. Next one, 2 is a prime number, next one is 15 is 15, 3 into 5. So 3 and 5 also prime number. So that's our next one. Right? Prime factors of 30 is equal to prime number, first prime number 2 and the second prime number 3 and the last prime number 5. So prime factors of 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. Prime factors of 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. First next one 45. Use the tree method. First 45 is a odd number, so it's not come in second table. So third table, using third table, there is a prime number. 3 15s are 45. 3 into 15 is equal to 45. 3 15s are 45. Next 3 is a prime number, so leave the prime number 3, and next one 15 is 15 in two parts. One is a 3 into 5. 3 into 5 15. So prime numbers, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. So this over in tree method. Next we can write prime factors of 45 is equal to, prime factors of 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. So 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. So 45 first one. So 45 is an odd number, so cannot come in second table. Next third table, using third table, 3 15s are 45 comes in third table 15 times. 3 15s are 45. So 3 is a prime number, so leave the prime number. Next one 15 is 15 in two parts. So in second 15 is a odd number. 15 is a odd number. So odd number. So in second table not come 15. So next one third table. Third table 15 comes 3 into 5. Third table 15 comes 3 into 5 15. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 3 is also prime number. 5 is also prime number. So tree method over. Next we can write prime factors of 45 is equal to 3 into 5. Next one, another one sum 72. The next one 72. Next sum 72. Question number C 72. 72 is a even number. So even number comes second table. Second table 2 into 36. 2 into 36 equal to 72. 2 into 36 equal to 72. So 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. So we split in 36. Give the prime number. Next 36. 36 is also a even number. So in second table 36 comes 2 18s are 36. 2 18s are 36. So 2 is a prime number. With the prime number. Next one 18. Splitting 18. 18 comes. 18 is a even number. So even number comes second table. So 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. So next one 2 is a prime number. Leave the prime number. Next one 9. So we splitting 9 in two parts. So 9 is a odd number. 9 is a odd number. 9 is not come in second table. Next one third table. Third table 3 3s are 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So prime factors of 72 is equal to prime factors of 72 is equal to prime number 2 into 2 into 2 into next one 3 into 3. All numbers are prime numbers. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Next one, second question. Use the division method. Use division method. Second question. Use division method to find prime factors of question number 48. In division method. Division method we can write 48 like that. 48. 48 is an even number. 48 is a even number. So even number comes second table. Second table 4. 4 comes 2 times. 8 comes 4 times. So 24 also even number. Even number comes second table. 2 comes 1 time. 4 comes 2 times. Next one 12 is also even number. So 12 comes second table 6 times. So 6 is also even number. Even number comes second table in 3 times. Last one 3 comes third table in 1 time. So prime factors of 48 is equal to prime factors of 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 4 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Next one. Next sum 56. Use division method to find prime factors of 56. Prime factors of 56. 56. Question number B. 56. In division method. 56. 56 is a even number. So even number in second table 5 2 times balance 1, 16. So 5 new 5, 2 comes 2 times, 2 comes 2 times, and the remaining 1 is here. So it is called 16. 16 we need 16. 16 comes in second table 8 times. Next one, second table 2 comes 1 times, 8 comes 4 times. In second table 14 comes 7 times. In seventh table 7 comes 1 times. So prime factors of 56 equal to 2 into 2 into 7. So that's all. Next one, homework part. Next one, homework part. My practice time. My practice time 3. Question number 1. C, do C and D. Question number 2. Do D and E. Next one, my practice time 4. My practice time 4. Question number 1, 2, D and E. Question number 2, D and so totally 8 sums are normal sums. 12. Thank you, students.